Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create custom admin URLs on SiteGround. Just sorry brother, before you creating an account, you may purchase the plan, and if you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me, and after you will have to log in your account. You will see in the security, you will see the protected URLs, so you can protect your URL from here and customize it separately for your website page. And from the WordPress admin dashboard, access your WordPress dashboard and your domain.com and setting journal, and under the WordPress address URL and the site addresses URL field, enter the domain that you wish your application to work with and save changes. The same modification is valid if you want to add www. your domain, and just make the fill all the things and just save and changes for URL. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.